But Vidit, तुम्हारा ये ग्लास का क्या सीक्रेट है? Because earlier you used to drink in steel glass, अभी bronze ऐसा एकदम अलग ही ग्लास है.
नंबर 3 हो गया ना तो ब्रॉन्ज.
Okay. Visit. Speaking of number 3, your YouTube channel banner still has number 2. When are you planning to change it?
अरे महंगा पड़ता है वो बहुत.
उससे अच्छा मैं नंबर 2 हो जाता हूँ थोड़े टाइम.
जस्ट किडिंग. मैंने तो किया है ना चेंज. नंबर 3 है.
अच्छा.
In your banner is
Okay. No, I have to change it.
Yes.
It's so petty, yeah. So petty. This is.
No, we are always bullying a video about
No,
this.
I know. Okay, I'll take a couple of questions. Pratik SB says, Happy New Year, guys. Tanya, have you seen Queen's Gambit? If yes, then how relatable was it, I think is the question. Have you seen Queen's Gambit?
I haven't watched it actually yet. I plan to now that I have a little time on my hands. I will, but I saw the first episode. I know what the storyline is about, and I think like what I saw of it was very. I want to watch it, but until I do, it's very hard to say.
I've seen a little bit of it also.
And
it's
what
very
did you
good.
think?
You should really watch
I also
it.
want to
So,
see it. Just
other
not
than-
time. Since you are asking,
So, Adiban, you and I should watch it together because you understand the chess. I understand the character. So I was like, I get where she's
let's
coming
do it.
from.
Yeah,
Look
let's
at
do
it. Yeah, there is. I didn't know each move has an opening. So I was like, oh wow.
No. Abhish, you don't need to know anything. You are already like you are created to play chess, so it's fine. Yeah.
The thing that I've heard about it is that it's quite accurate. They've obviously, they've dramatized it and made it very commercial as well, but it's also extremely accurate to the kind of emotions and the way she thinks and how she executes and just the way she takes on competition. I think, and that's why it's taken even not just the audience, the general audience, but even the chess world by storm, because I think a lot of things that professionals can also relate to in that show.
No, also Kasparov was an advisor, right, for the show. Yeah, Kasparov. Yeah, so that's why. Because all these movies, if you see, like the notation is wrong, like the setup board is wrong, like. But in this, I think they've just fixed everything.
Super accurate.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Adipan had the best speech when we spoke that time, where he said there's also a lot of alcohol involved, and I'm like, done. Yeah, you should have told me that in the first place. That is all the motivation I need. Queen's Gambit. Alcohol and drugs is involved. Very exciting. Dude, Sagar, I have a question for you, which is that the people are saying that after Queen's Gambit, the number of people playing chess on chess.com has gone up substantially. What do you think, like after Samay's stream, after all of you guys doing this thing, how much has the total interaction for chess in India been? Like how much, what is the proportional increase? Give me an exact number and we'll quote you to it. Otherwise we'll have you executed.
I think Samay's जो OML team है ना, they have the numbers. वो लोग वो बोल के समय का मतलब they do it. So उनको
यार ये तो झूठ बात बोली है कि OML के पास कुछ है.
तू बता. मैं बताऊं. नहीं तू बता.
So the thing is,
go to brands will know because they are the one getting information.
No, but I think chess.com is very happy with Samay, what he has done. That's why they are continuing and sticking with him. But also one more thing I would say, that although Queen's Gambit has played a huge impact in the world of chess, I would say in India the boom had already begun before that. So Queen's Gambit played a role, but I think on a smaller scale than what it did in the US or European countries or the other countries, because यहाँ पे लोग already hooked थे chess पे. If you look at it, सब लोग पागल हो गए थे. They were playing chess all the time and they love it anyway. So I think Queen's Gambit's role comes after, say, Samay, Vidit, Adiban, Tanya, Biswa, Vaibhav, Rajabo, Anish Giri, Surya Ganguly, all these people.
Sagar is so nice, he didn't mention his name. Matlab.
I mean, you started it, yeah, Sagar.
Yeah, no, but
he has 4,000 videos on his channel about chess.
Actually, that's a really good point. I think also it was the other way around. I think Queen's Gambit also exploded because there was such interest in chess already. Yeah. And, I was seeing this interview I was reading this interview of the director. I think he was the director, but he said that, he has been working on this script for something like 30 years. Nobody
9 years,
believed a show. Sorry, what?
9 years, I think. But 20
maybe I don't know, it was some crazy number of years, and then he said that nobody believed in the script, nobody believed in the show, that a show with a female lead character and with chess would work. So I think it was also it found itself eventually at the right time, because as the world was falling apart in 2020, I think chess was just at the right place at the right time. And then I think the show exploded because there was so much interest in the game already. So it was very kind of a two-way traffic.
Yeah.
I have something to add here. Saurabh, don't you think it's a similar thing what happened to comedy industry, like when we guys started and then the explosion happened after? So because you guys were doing so many, like Tuesdays with Morons was going on, Delhi a scene was building, Bombay a scene was building. So the base built up, and then all it took was like one major hit for more people to realize. So
what was
similarly,
that major hit in comedy?
For different people it was different. At different, like with Cyrus being there was a certain audience. With Veer being there, it was different. With Saurabh doing like the busiest AIC shows and everything, was then the AIB roast happened, so there was like a newer population. Then Biswa blew up, then Kanan and Biswa's first show came up. After that you had Kenny, then Kaniz. So you saw a lot of people peak after. So it wasn't like that one thing, but after, because there was a base, there was a peak, and everyone peaked after. It wasn't like big peak and low peak. So I think that's what I'm getting to see with chess also. With each person, there's an up peak only. This community is building. So when the community builds, everyone builds exponentially. It doesn't matter what peaked first. Then now everything will become about what's coming. So I think I see that like the same camaraderie on the streams because of the pandemic. But what we used to achieve in a green room or on stage, because we were booked for a weekend together, we had to perform. I see that with the streams and with chess. And that's why I'm like, that's why I'm always like, man, you guys are doing the exact, it's great. This is perfect. The community is building, the amount of chess fan pages are increasing. They're tagging more people. Tanya, unfortunately, had to see that spam happen when there was a move from you see the Indian community is so strong. That's how they are passionate about comedy. And that's how they became passionate about hip hop, and chess is that thing. So you guys are on that same like place. So do what that you figure. I don't want to say what you need to do, but I'm saying great.
No, but a lot of people in chat.
Thanks. Yeah, that was very sweet. Thanks.
I think, and I think that's a really good point as well. I think when, for example, with chess and maybe with, what you're mentioning with comedy as well, when the product or the essence of the thing is very strong, right? But it lacks there's that spark that's missing that makes it explode somewhere. And then once that happens, just everything the puzzle just seems to come together, and just everything fits, and then everybody rises with it. I think with chess, it was like that. Like, it's a beautiful sport. It's a very interesting game, but it was always considered a little unapproachable. It was not mainstream. And then with everything that happened during 2020, that missing piece of puzzle just fell into place.
Yeah.
And then it wasn't like Queen's Gambit was not the missing piece of the puzzle, but it was like it was, I don't know
it
how
was
to
a catalyst. I think
it was a catalyst. It was something like the result of what happened when the puzzle fell into place.
Yeah, I would like to
That's the last piece of the puzzle, because Samay was that first. I mean, for me, the advent was Samay. Before that, it was chess based. Before there was community. No, tell me, because I don't know.
Samay played a huge role. I would say that the fact that Samay came and kept doing this, so many people got interested. I can tell you, like yesterday, I got an email from someone saying that I'm a research student doing my PhD. I want to research on how chess impacts the brain on something. Now this thing, the research will be done on this from the fact that so many people were following chess, iske liye usko interest aaya. So now you will see that impact on the brain, kuch scientific paper ya kuch aur niklega, then it will become like really. So we don't understand how actually Samay has contributed to this sport in a very, very in ways which you cannot imagine. Like
very tangible ways as well. Like, I think he was I think he was the core of everything that started, because chess was always a beautiful game, but I think it was when the whole whatever he did. So I think he was actually the main piece in that puzzle, which sort of brought everything together, and it just exploded from there.
But that's what I mean. Now look at each of these new puzzles coming in. Now you will see the growth of it. So that's what I was coming at.
100%, you're right. Yeah.
No, I think Vishy just summed it up. Yeah, in just one sentence, he said thanks to Samay, chess is a complete joke now. It's like the best.
By the way, we have Karthik K, who also agrees about this whole Queen Gambit thing on Super Chat. He says, I think Queen's Gambit had high viewing due to boom in India and not vice versa. I completely agree. Like, even when they said that the numbers have gone up post Queen's Gambit, I'm like, nahi, uske pehle bhi ho raha tha. And yeah, I mean, we should compliment Samay until he comes. Like, when he comes, then there's no. I don't know if he's coming. I don't think he's
no. Actually, it's more funny to compliment him because he can't handle it. Actually.
Arre, chalo. We'll wait for him to come if he comes, and then we'll compliment him.
Vidit ko uthana padega usko.
There is no answer.
No, actually, yeah. No, Samay. So I think this is the right question. You feel you created the chess boom, or it was due to this Netflix Queen's Gambit?
It was all of us, yaar. सबने मतलब मिलवा के किया है.
Yeah, I think this was what you wanted to ask.
Yeah.
How to put. No, but you created it, not then. Like I think you saw that.
Like Sagar, मैं सब लोग साथ में ही मतलब comedians and everything. It just happened on its own, man. Like you do things, it happens on its own.
मतलब Saurabh, I would say that people who want to do something planned ना, वो इतना नहीं हो सकता है. You have to love the sport. You have to love it from the core of your heart, and you have to be doing that even when you don't get money for it or fame or something. This is what Samay, Biswa, Vaibhav, at least these three I know, were totally into chess. मतलब उनको और कुछ दिखता भी नहीं था. Now also Anirban, I think there are several others who got into chess in a way where if you tell them ये करो या chess, they will always choose chess over everything else.
Yeah, just to add like 10,000 games, yeah. Like even me and Anish added together, and with it also maybe, yeah, it won't reach that. 10,000 games he had played on chess.com. Vaibhav. I mean,
and at his house, passion. I saw Samay's house, like, कुछ भी free time हुआ, I'll just pick up a chessboard and start playing.
Chess is even like part of our life only अभी ऐसे.
Stream पे भी ऐसे मतलब वो intro लगाया side में game खेल रहा है phone पे.
Yeah, Vaibhav.
नहीं, but 10,000 games he's played. Vaibhav Sethi has played 10,000 games.
Yeah. Can you believe?
We were calculating that is 0.8% of his life. Still more members.
Still more audience members. इसको देखो भाई, ये बस रोस्ट मोड में है. इसने वैभव सेठा को डिप्रेस कर दिया भाई. उसके बाद वैभव सेठा ने उससे सब बात नहीं करी है.
Actually, that's true.